I'm making this video right now so I can stitch it in a year from now where all the stocks I'm about to go over are up 100% from where they're currently at. Happy Thanksgiving, everyone. Drop me a follow if you're not already. We made $4,000 yesterday. So that's $11,000 on the week. We've outperformed the market for 19 months in a row, closing in on 20. And of course, all of these have been documented on social media. I mean, the recap for this year's closed positions is insane already. It's not even counting the ones we're currently in. But let's go over these 5 stocks that I think can double within a year from now. Of course, we got to throw in an honorable mention to Nike, which I don't think will go up 100%, but maybe slightly less. I've gotten $9,000 of this company, and I am just about break even on it. I don't think now is a bad time to buy. First, I gotta go with American Airlines. While I think the other stocks I'll go over have more upside potential, this one is a little bit more solidified. I alerted this one in the summer at $10, even though I had been buying beforehand, but this time I did a very big buy. This has been doing extremely well for us so far. I expect it to keep flying up because we're about to go through its busiest season of the year where they charge a whole lot more. Even increased my average cost from that original buy because I love this stock so much and it has clearly paid off. Next, I have to go with SESAI, which I'm already up a ton on. I was actually up 300% at the peak where I was able to take some profit. It has a 60% price target for the next year, which I think it could actually beat if they close another big deal. Not really priced in yet. Right now they're working with massive companies, and so they aren't looking at establishing new partnerships just yet. Still trading under $1 billion, so this is a cheap stock according to their stock price, but also their fundamentals. Next, give me Richtek Robotics under $4. I'm already up a ton on this one as well. I bought before its big run. While it only has 22.8% upside for the next 12 months, I do think it could beat that, especially if we see another bull run. Because they're about to reach profitability, they're so close, and this next earnings is going to get them so much closer. Hopefully, made me thousands of dollars when it had its run going from unprofitable to profitable. Richtek Robotics has a tiny market cap, so I think it could make me even more. Have to add Moderna to its list. I do think now is a great time to buy, so I'm personally buying myself. This is my biggest position currently, holding over $8,000. It's over 300 shares, and I am already up on them. Now, for the next 12 months, their average price target is 45%. That is 4 times better than what the market does on average every year. I do think realistically they could beat this prediction because they were cut back in their government funding. I think they will receive some more, and finally receiving revenue on their second flagship product. Lastly, I have to go with Lucid because although it's been in this downtrend for what feels like years, I just started buying. They have 37% upside for the next 12 months. They keep crushing their deliveries. They've had now 7 record-breaking quarters in a row. And now they're down because their price target was lowered. These are the ones I've already closed out of this year, as you guys have seen. So if you want the full list of stocks I'm actively holding and buying more of, come to the word trade in the comments below, and I'll message you.